what is Satispay and how does it work? Have you ever heard someone say, "I'll send you a Satispay"? In recent years, it has become one of the most popular payment methods in Italy, especially among young people, shops, and small businesses. But what exactly is Satispay, and why do so many people use it? Satispay is an Italian app that lets you send money, pay in stores and online, top up your phone, pay bills, and even save money. The main difference compared to traditional cards and banks is that it doesn't use the credit card network. It connects directly to your bank account via IBAN. How does it work? When you register, choose a weekly budget. For example, €100. Every week, the app checks how much you've spent and automatically tops up your bank account balance to the set amount. If you spend €24, as in our case, the system will deduct another €24 from your account to bring your total back to 100. In practice, you always have a small digital wallet ready to use. To pay in store, simply open the app, select the merchant, and confirm the payment. No cash, no PIN, no card to insert. Many stores prefer it because the fees are often lower than traditional payments. You can also send money to friends in seconds. For example, sharing a dinner, a pizza, or a gift becomes instant. Another reason for its success is cashback and promotions. Many stores refund a percentage of your spending directly in the app. There are, however, some limitations. To use Satispay, you need a European bank account, and not all stores accept it. Furthermore, if you're used to using only contactless cards or Apple Pay, you might not notice much of a difference. So, is it worth using it? If you frequently make small payments, send money to friends, or want a quick and easy way to manage your daily expenses, Satispay can be very convenient.